it's me, your Ramya Paul. Welcome back to Paul's Academy. I hope you're all doing well and good. Okay, in the last videos, we have discussed the naming words, one and more than one for little ones. And even today, we are going to discuss the action words. And so after watching this video, I'm sure the little ones will be surely or thorough with the topic. And do watch fully. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Action words. When we see around, we can see everyone, every person, animal, or everything is doing something. So the words that tell us what someone or something does are called action words. Action words are also said to be doing words. So in a sentence, action words or doing words are very important. So without doing words, a sentence is not complete. For example, I fast, he slow, she on the bed, Reena mango, fishes water. Do these words together make any sense? No, right? See the first one, I fast. So there is a need of doing word. I run fast. So now this sentence make a sense. So without doing word, a sentence is not complete. I run fast or I walk fast. Next one, he walks slowly and she sits on the bench. Reena eats mango. Fishes swim in the water. So the action words tells us what a person, animal or thing does. Some action words are walk, run, dance, swim, cycling, sleep, play, lift, climb, ride, fly, etc. Let us see some more examples. She drinks milk. In this sentence, can you identify the doing word? Drinks. Drink is a doing word. And next one, the goat eats the grass. In this sentence, eats is a doing word. Brush your teeth. And this, brush is a doing word. Comb your hair. In this sentence, what is the doing word? Comb. Some action words end in S, while some don't. For example, I write, you write, we write, they write. Minu and Sinu write. Children write. But he writes, she writes. Minu writes, Sinu writes. The child writes. I hope you understood from these examples. For he, she, it. And for one naming word, we use the doing words ends in S. But for I, you, we, they, and for more than one naming words, we don't use S. To learn more about the naming words and one and more than one, do watch the video. Links are in the description box. I hope today's topic, the action word, is clear to you. If you are really benefited, share it with your friends. Let me know your doubts and opinions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.